there guys, I'm back again, and I know I'm late with this, so let's just dive straight into it. Today we are going to unbox my favorite box out there, which is the Lux Box. So we got the little booklet right here, and then taking off the lid, wow, this box is literally packed full. This is the inside of this month's box. So let's just grab the first thing on top, which is this. And this is from Night Tan, the tan of your dreams. Soothing lavender and chamomile, transfer resistant, doesn't stain sheets. It's an overnight sunless bronzing lotion. Okay, very excited. And I think we have 25% off on tanlife.nl using the code LUXBOX. And you can use that until the 1st of September 2019. So if you use this, make sure to make a screenshot out of this. Okay, so honestly, I'm not really sure if this is like just an extra because it's like literally one little sample sachet or not. I have to check the booklet. Let's see where it is. It's not here. No, it's, oh wow, it actually counts as an item. It says hashtag #TanLife selfie tan go night tan, 20.7 milliliters, so one little satchel, and it costs one satchel costs €2.95, $3 for this little satchel. I find that hard to believe, I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna have to check it out. Okay, so there's a lot of paper in here. This is from Lab 2 Live and Breathe Beauty. Lab 2 Blend Right In Sponge Applicator. Oh, we got 20% off, another 20% off coupon. Oh, wait, I wanted to show you, but is this one? Oh, no, I actually have to take this to the store, so I can't, like, give you guys a coupon. And then we also have Blistex, which is like basically a balm for your lips. And we got another coupon for €1 off. I'm just gonna assume I see this product, so I think this product is in here as well. So let's just grab those products, shall we? Let's start off with this fella. And this is the sponge, the LAB or Lab 2 Live and Breathe Beauty. This is the Blend Right In Sponge Applicator. Basically a beauty sponge, but not the real beauty sponge, clearly. I'm very, very stoked that this item is in here because everybody and their mother, I think, who uses foundation needs sponges. Like brushes are okay, but sponges all the way. So I'm very happy it's in here, and clearly this is a full size because it's a big fella. Let's see in the booklet where it says, can't find it here. Oh, it's right over here. Lab 2 a Blend Right In Sponge. It's a full size, like I mentioned, and it costs €5.99. Wow, that's actually not a lot of money at all. I know people say like these sponges last you up to 3 months, but usually I use the diamond sponge, which is like the best sponge in the freaking world in my opinion, from Real Techniques, but that one does not last me 3 months at all. That sponge, I would have to change it up every single month because the sponge itself is falling apart, which sucks, but that's the truth. So yeah, excited to use this. Okay, so let's just grab the other thing, which was a lip balm, which is here. This is from Blistex. The Ultra SPF 50+. It hydrates and protects every day with intensive sun protection and with vitamin C and E. This is what that fella looks like. And honestly, I don't really use lip balm. As y'all know, I love myself like a good moisturizing lipstick or gloss. I love glosses. And I don't like dry lips. I don't like anything drying out my lips, like liquid lipsticks and matte stuff. I don't like that stuff on my lips. It's like a highly exception that I use that. But I also don't really use these. However, maybe I should have just one right now because my lips have been for the last about 2-3 weeks, my lips have been very, and I mean very chapped, like ridiculously chapped. I've never had that in my life before. So maybe useful to have at least one. So I'm gonna keep this one. It's over here. It's a full size and it costs €3.19. Okay, so let's move on with another sheet kind of a thing. This is from Loving Blends. It's a yogurt mask for dry hair. Okay, my hair is definitely not dry. My hair is actually very, very oily. So yeah, I don't know if this is something for me, but still gonna give it a try. Why the hell not? Like I said, the Yogurt Intense Hydrating Mask. It looks like this. Apparently this is a new from Loving Blends, and I'm not really sure. I wouldn't be too happy if they listed this as an item. The same with the other satchel. It's a freaking sample. And like a really small one-use sample, so I personally wouldn't count this as an item. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, no, it's an extra. Thank goodness. It literally says extra in the booklet, so I'm really happy about that. It's an extra, and it's 10 milliliters. It's a free sample. So the full size is 300 milliliters, and this one was 10, so it's like 30 times this. But it costs €6.79. Oh wow, I see something in here that I'm so excited about. If this is what I think it is, it are vitamins, and these are from StyleTone. Yeah, I don't know if that's a Dutch brand, StyleTone. Anybody put it in the comment section. I'm not really sure if this is just Dutch or not, but I'm going to pronounce it Dutch. Okay, so this is for huid, haar, nagels, which basically means skin, hair, and nails. Basically your female vitamins is what I call them, because usually females use this stuff. They have 56 tablets, which is amazing. And yeah, I love this. Whenever I use pills like this, like vitamin pills like this, my hair grows thicker, it grows better, my nails are stronger, my skin looks better. It just works. I don't give a rat's ass who you are and what you say, like, oh, vitamins don't work, it's just a placebo effect, blah, blah. No, it's freaking not, because I've measured every single time I used and stopped using for months and months and months on end. I've noticed a difference in my hair, skin, and nails. So it does work. Now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. It looks like that. And actually the StyleTone vitamins are quite expensive. So I really want to check the booklet and see how much these cost. Yeah, it's a full size. I knew it. Yeah, there we go. So the full size costs €14.95. So basically 15 bucks. It's like the half of what I paid for this entire box is just right here. Okay, moving on to something that I'm so freaking excited is in here, which is sun protection. Thank you, Lord. The summer is coming. Well, we all need to protect each other from the sun. So this is Nivea Sun. Oh, it's 50 plus. Are you kidding me? Like, I want to have color on me. So that kind of sucks, because I don't know why. Let me explain something. When I was a kid, I used to tan like this. I would go in the sun unprotected usually, because kids don't have time for this. Okay, my mom told me a million times, come back here, you need protection. And I was like, hell no, bye. So I got a beautiful color on my skin, and even when my mom did put lotion on us, clearly 50 plus, I would always get like this beautiful dark tan really fast. It was something in my genes, I guess, because everybody in my family gets a tan fast. We are from the Mediterranean, and so yeah, that happens. But as I grew in my 20s, something changed, I guess, with my skin, and I just, for the love of me, cannot get a tan. As y'all know, I don't burn, but I don't get a tan. I just don't. I stay as pale as a ghost. So when it says 50 plus, I'm literally not gonna tan whenever I use this, and that sucks. I'm a person that definitely needs 30 plus, and even then, I'm still pretty pale. So this is what that little sucker looks like, but I know my mom's going to be very, very happy with 50 plus, because she's like, I need protection on my skin, yada, yada, yada. I fully understand, I do, and clearly I'm going to use this since I got it. But yeah, I don't know what is up with my skin. I'm just weird. Okay, we're not talking about my skin here today. Anyway, let's move on to, where are you? It's right over here. It's a full size. Thank you, Lord. And wow, it's 20 euros and 99 cents. So basically 21 bucks just for this fella alone. Like, this is amazing. I'm loving this box. Okay, let's move to something else which is really big in here. Oh, I thought something fell out of this thing. Oh no, it's okay. It's from Dove, and this is the Purifying Detox Green Clay. This is a cleanse daily toxins from urban environments anti-pollution body wash. This is what that little sucker looks like, and let's smell it. It's green. Oh wow, 0 sulfates, 0 parabens, and 0 phthalates. I never can pronounce that name right. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my Lord, this smells amazing. I'm gonna love shower with this. I love this. And I remember like last time, didn't we receive a body wash as well? Last time we received one from, I want to say Rexona, the pink one with the orchid thing. I think it was Rexona, or was it Fa? I think it was Rexona, I'm not really sure, but I was so pleased with it. I love receiving stuff like this because we all need like a body shower gel, mousse, lotion, whatever. We need it. So let's see how much this fella costs. This is clearly a full size, by the way. Yes, it's over here. It's a full size. So it's Dove Purifying Detox Body Wash from Green Clay. It's a full size and it costs 3 euros and 99 cents. Okay, we actually still have a lot more in here. Let's move on to something else that's pretty big, which is this from Oriflame. It's Feet Up Advanced Cracked Heel Repair and Smooth. Oh, okay. Mineral 4E Blend Foot Cream. This is amazing. I love myself a good foot cream. My mother and my boyfriend both have serious, like severe problems with cracked heels. They're both on their feet a lot throughout the day. They do a lot of stuff and they walk a lot, which means you're going to get cracked heels. And both of them have cracked heels so bad that it actually starts bleeding. Like the skin, there's like literally a scar in there. It's like a wound, an open wound. So both of them need this. I'm gonna try this out. I think I'm gonna share it with my mom. So I'm gonna use half of it. I'm gonna squirt it in a little pot so that I have some. And then I'm gonna give half to her as well so that my boyfriend can use it and she could use it like both. Let's see what it says in the booklet about this. Where is it? Where is it? It's not here. Oh, it's right over here. Oriflame Feet Up Advanced Cracked Heel Repair and Smooth Foot Cream. That's a mouthful. It's a full size and it costs, wow, it costs 13 euros. Wow, like I really hope this fellow works for 13 bucks. It better do its job. I have high hopes for this. Okay, moving on to something that y'all know I love, which is Baptiste. This is a dry shampoo, and this is in the new, I think it's a new fragrance, don't hit me with a rock, but I think it's new. The Rose Gold, or is it? Now I'm doubting myself. I don't know, but basically Rose Gold, that's what it's, what the fragrance is. This is what it looks like, and y'all know by now, this is a staple in my household. Like the Baptiste dry shampoo is the best one in the world. In my opinion, in my humble opinion. So let's see where it is. Oh, it's the first one. It's 50 milliliters and that's a travel size. And this little travel size fella costs 2 euros and 19 cents. And now we're gonna move on to something that I saw in the email and I could not believe was in here. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to open this fella. This is from Catrice, and this is actually a freaking eyeshadow palette. This is the number 10 Bronze Upon a Dream palette. Let's open this little sucker up. Wait, is it sealed? No, it's not sealed. Come on, open up. Wow, it's very hard to open. Let's hope they're not cracked. I will show you guys. Is it cracked? Is it? It's not. I'm so happy. Okay, it is not cracked, and these colors, oh my Lord. These are all nudes, clearly, but they look so freaking gorgeous. Like, there's a silver one over here that looks so good. You know what? I think I'm gonna leave this palette. Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you guys want me to do a get ready with me with this particular palette? Yes or no? Leave it down in the comment section because I cannot wait to get around and play with this and get my hands dirty with this. Ugh, I cannot believe it. Catrice Superbia Volume 1 Warm Copper Eyeshadow Palette. It's a full size clearly and it costs €8.99. Okay, so we have 2 more items and then the box is empty. Okay, so let's start off with this little pencil fella. It's from Duce. It's the Ultra Precision Eyeliner in black. Yes, and I think, I'm not really sure, but I think we already received one of these fellas, but still a black eyeliner is always good in my opinion. See, it's black right over here. Clearly this has to be a full size. Where is it? Yes, it's a full size. So it says the full size costs €19.50. The pricing of this is ridiculous, but it is very soft and very nice because I've used Duce liners before. I think I'm wearing one of them today, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not really sure if this is Duce, the black one, but I don't know. I'm not even gonna say because maybe I'm not wearing it. I don't know, but it sure as hell looked a lot like that one, so it might just be. Okay, and then the last thing got a little bit smashed, I want to say. Look at this. See, it got a little smashed in the box, but it's okay. It's the Unlimited Double Touch Liquid Lip. Oh, come on. Damn it, liquid lip, so it means it's gonna be matte, and y'all know I cannot stand matte. Damn it. It's from Kiko Milano, and it's a brand that I love, and it just sucks. It's the color 103, so let's just, since it's already so butchered, it's brown. Now I'm actually kind of glad that it's, damn it, come on. Okay, so as you can see, it is a brown. It's like a two-way. So first you use this color, you wait for it to dry, and then you use the gloss on top. I am wearing brown right now. It's not like I hate brown tone colors, you guys. I actually love brown colors. I have a hell of a lot of them, and I use them quite often as well. But the problem that I personally feel with this is that we always receive brown. It's so annoying, and it's always a liquid lip or a matte. Like, give us something else. Anyway, let's see how much it costs. It's over here. It's a full size, and it costs €8.99. And I mean, the box is butchered up. I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep it in the box. Maybe I'll throw the box away because it just looks really, really bad. But as y'all just saw, like inside, it's great. I didn't open it. I'm not going to open it. I think what I'm going to do is put this in a giveaway. Maybe even sooner rather than later. Okay guys, that was it. Those were all of the items that we received this month, or actually 2 months, I should say. I loved it. I abso-freaking-lutely love this box. I cannot wait until 2 months pass again until we get the other one. But I have absolutely loved every single product except for the last damn gloss, because it's a freaking gloss and I don't use a gloss. No, actually I use a gloss. I'm saying it wrong. It's a liquid lip. I don't use liquid lips. Anyway, let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? I freaking loved it. And let me also know, do you guys want to see a get ready with me with the Catrice palette? Yes or no? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!